Let's make an easy peasy rice pudding or rice water as we know it in Ghana. To our saucepan, we're going to put 1,000 milliliters of water, normal tap water, that is 1 liter of water. Then we're going to add a teaspoon of salt. Then we're going to add 50 grams of sugar, which is basically a quarter cup of sugar. I use white granulated sugar. You can use any other type of sugar if you want to, be it brown or any other sweetener. Then going with 3/4 cups of rice. Over here, I used long grain perfume rice, but medium or short grain rice works well. And traditionally, or usually, what is commonly used, that kind of rice grain that is commonly used for making rice porridge is short grain. So you can use short grain to make it. So after having this ingredient in your saucepan, you let the mixture come to a boil. By whilst you want to come to a boil, you stir it periodically. Now, when it gets to this point where it's foaming and it's very frothy, you lower the flame. You have to lower the flame and cook the rice porridge on low heat, but do not cover the saucepan. When you cover the saucepan, it would boil over. Probably the reason why it does this is because of the sugar we have in the rice as well as the starches in the water. That might be why it boils over. I don't know why, but I know that when you cover it, it's going to boil over, and we don't want that. So we allow it to cook on low flame, but we still stir periodically till the rice gets very soft and the liquid would have become very thick. To this point, something like this, when you get this kind of consistency of the liquid, or the liquid on top of the rice looks this viscous, I'm going with a half a cup of milk powder. I use full cream milk powder. You may use a filled cream milk powder, but I wouldn't use non-dairy milk powder. But if that is what you can afford, that is fine. So after you add the milk powder, that is basically it. You just have to serve. You just have to plate. Sorry. So scoop your rice pudding into your bowl. I topped it up with some raisins, some mixed fruit, mixed fruit and more milk powder. And I enjoyed it with bread, but you can enjoy it on your own. Just that this wasn't enough for me. Thank you for watching, and please like, subscribe, and comment. Doing so helps me a lot. Thank you. See you in my next video.